Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at NVA. This is Nova Minerals Limited. You can see this one today is unfortunately down by 8.5%, and over the course of tonight's video I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on this. If it sounds good, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, do remember I am not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. Now jumping straight in, a few things standing out to me today. Now as I say, this one is dropping significantly. You zoom out though over the past week, the past month actually, and this stock is actually up quite a bit. You know, go back to the 9th of October, this stock was valued at what, $22, right? You come all the way up to the highs and you're looking at $80 plus, right? So this sell-off, in my opinion, was always an inevitability. The good news is we do appear to be finding a support. This support range does appear to be anywhere on the downside from the 50 to 50 range, all the way up to the high side, the 53.60s, and all the way up to the 55.60s. So what I'm essentially looking for here, guys, is that range to hold up. I really don't want to see this one to the low end drop below the $52 range at all. I think anything above that could be a very strong level of support. We have levels here. We also have levels, of course, forming over today. Now, for the most part, especially to the late part, today was a relatively good consolidation day. You can see that solid consolidation forming over here. All of this, in my opinion, does set us up quite nicely for a potential move to the upside into next week. Now, again, that is as long as we do not break to the downside. If we do move below, I think you could easily be looking at levels right around $48, which could be a lot more concerning. Now, in terms of potential push numbers, I'm looking at 61.15, I'm looking at 62.90, potentially up to 63. I am looking at figures such as $65, I'm looking at 66.30, 66.25 as well. All of these are the numbers that I'm looking for a recovery to, but this time I want to see it happen in a lot more of a stable way. You guys can obviously see in the chart here, it was relatively quick, it really took off, and subsequently the RSI just massively shot up. We were overbought for quite some time over here in the middle part of the week. Now we're seeing this one cool off slightly. We are coming right down to neutral. This could be an interesting point into next week to see this one recover and potentially retest some of those levels. Time will tell, of course, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on it. Again, make sure to come to your own conclusions, as I am not an advisor, but again, do your own research. Thank you. Goodbye for now.